Hey guys, it's Jeremy here at the Ontario Regiment Museum in Oshawa. I apologize for the sound quality of this video. What we're up to today is a little bit of an emergency work here. Our museum's been shut down all winter, and our fleet, these vehicles have sat here for months. Now that it's April, we would have been well into our tank season, and these vehicles would have been checked and would have been running. So we have a team here, just 5 people, because in the province of Ontario, that is the limit of the amount of people you can have in one building at one time during the shutdown. All wearing appropriate PPE, N95 masks, which were donated by a local company, gloves, and the team is going through all the vehicles, doing vehicle checks, fluid checks, startups where necessary, checking batteries, replacing batteries or disconnecting batteries where needed. We can't just leave these vehicles, if this is an extended shutdown, just lying here for months more. We have to make a maintenance schedule. As you can see, the place is a bit of a mess because it's a workplace at the moment. And we are about 1/3 through the fleet. So just a look at some of the precautions that we have to take, and I hope you can actually hear us. We're all wearing the N95 masks. We're keeping our social distancing of at least 3 meters between us. We're wearing gloves for all the surfaces that we touch, and obviously our hearing protection, because with this many vehicles running, yeah, that can be very dangerous to your hearing, and that's often a problem, with tank museums. And then we're keeping a very detailed record of all the vehicles that we're checking, the problems that we find, what the fluid levels are. And once again, this will be a multi-day process that we'll do over the next several weeks. And then depending on the length of the shutdown, we'll have to schedule this once a month, just to make sure that the vehicles are well. Just having this big empty building full of vehicles, just like your car, if you don't start your car for a month, it's not a very happy vehicle. museum gift shop, product placement.